Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's see who this is from. Kind of a poofy bag. Alright. Let me get it out. Alright, so we have a tool and we have a cross stitch. This is from ColorfulDIY. So the first thing I got, you remember when I got this bag? It's the long one, nice and big. Whoops. That does not need to be in there. Okay. I'm sure we were wondering where that was. But yeah, I got the big one. Well, guess what? I got the round one. I wanted to see what it was going to be like. Get rid of the crinkles. So, yeah. I didn't think it was going to be this small. Looks like a purse for my granddaughter. And I realize these are made for knitting and that kind of thing. But I thought, I wonder, if I get it in my hands, maybe I can think of, you know, something else different to do with this. Now this little teeny tiny bag was $3.99, so I figured the price wasn't too much. So we will see. It has like a piece of wire that runs around this top part and down here at the bottom. See if I can get it to look like a round bag. It's all kind of crunched down, but you know it'll pack away easy. But it's nice and round. It's about, now let's not guess, Laura, because, you know, guessing just doesn't work. I hear you, bell. I keep hitting the bell today. So it's 6 inches across, and we'll try, give or take just a tad bit, by 5 1/4. It's got little deer on it. It's made the same way as the bigger one. But yeah, I just thought it was cute. You could put a small project in there if you were going to go for the day. Wouldn't take up too much space. And, you know, I realize this is made for knitting, but it's almost a good thing that that hole is there. And I'll tell you why. If you live in a place where it's humid all the time, like in the South and in the Midwest, and not all the time, in the summer, you know, or Florida or whatever, this is going to give it breathing area. So you can put your project in there and keep it, you know, so that if it's a daily thing and you have to take it, say, to work or something, it doesn't take up too much space. And, yeah, that way it can breathe and it gets, the air can circulate around it. So, yeah, I just thought it was kind of cool. It's very well constructed. I mean, as far as that goes, it's just a matter of getting that wire bent. And after you use it enough, you know, it'll be just fine. But when you're done, it just closes right down and it doesn't take any space at all. So you're ready for the next project. But I just thought it was cute. I didn't know it was going to be this small. See, I wanted to get it in my hand. I thought maybe it would be this big. I don't know. I don't think about those things when I order things, because that's how I end up with pictures that are 40 by 50, but the actual picture of the thing is like that big. You know, I mean, it's huge. So, sorry. My brain can't wrap its way around all that. Excuse me. A lot of wind in the past couple of days. Okay, so the next thing I've got was $19.99. And it's a biggie. It's not horribly big. It's just big. So it's got a few colors. I'm trying to get that out of there. Flip it over. And this is a terrible picture. Does it show up better in the camera? This is that garden picture. I'll put a picture here. Alright. And that way you can see it. I believe... Oh gosh. Now, I don't... Did I make notes? No, I didn't. Some days I make notes. Some days I'm ahead of myself. I think it was Diamond Painting Effects by Corey that's working on this. I can't remember. Or it's Desert Owl Crafting. It's one of those two. But yeah, I just love this. It is 100 by 43. Does have a nice big paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas. So if you're the one that has started this and you watch my channel, let me know it down below that, hey, it was me. And I'm like, okay. Yeah, because goes right out of my brain these days. My brain is like a sieve some days. So yeah, very nicely printed, and it's nice and big. I'm just going to flip the whole thing over instead of undoing it. It has 40 colors. It does have the color bar here, DMC number, the symbols, and the numbers on the thread card. So it's very nicely printed, very big, very easy to see all the symbols. I love that. So let's get on. Now it does have product number and how big it is. It's 407 by 161, and it does have that on the canvas, and I'll show you that in a second. But let's look at these luscious colors. You know I live for the color, right? I'm going to take a bath in all my threads one of these days. They're so soft and so lovely. I'm just going to set that down. So we got a few hanks. Just got a few hanks. I thought, hold on, hang on. Hold that thought. We did, oh, now this is a lame tool bag. Somebody didn't do their job at the factory, because you got one needle, a poof ball, a thimble, and a needle threader. I'm upset for y'all, because I got my lifetime quota of needles and poof balls and needle threaders. But yeah, if you were a new stitcher, I would be pretty upset. Yeah, if I only got one needle. I don't know what happened that day. Somebody was sleeping on the job. 5 people, 5 needles. That's what we usually get. So let me get that out of the way. So we have a hank of 3865. And isn't that pretty? It's kind of a blue. It's 775. It's a light blue. We have this beautiful pink. It's 818. You have some nice brown, which is 938. Now, I don't understand DMC. 939 is that dark blue, but this is 938, and it's a darker brown. I don't understand. That doesn't make sense. I don't understand. Somebody could explain to me how the DMC numbers all got to be. I don't get it. You have a hank of 310 black. Ooh, isn't that pretty? It's 827, and it's kind of a medium blue. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. And it's either 154 or 152. No, it's neither. How's that? See, I lied. 3835. It's kind of a plum purple. Gorgeous. We're just gonna, oh, and one more. And this one is 898. And it's kind of a little bit, there's not much difference in those two, is there? Put them right together. This has kind of got more of a golden tone to it. Just different. Okay, sometimes I don't know how they pick their colors. I really don't. Or if the computer does it for them, I got nothing. So So let's take a look at the thread cards. Whoops, hang in there. Got to get everybody undone and then lay it down. Oops, it's kind of mooshed. So we have, it's kind of a gold yellow. Then you got a little bit brighter yellow, and that's your, what is it, 3865? Is that what I said? Yep, 3865. And there's that purple that I thought was 154. So that's why there's only one thread on there. But look at this lusciousness. Oh, my goodness. Gorgeous. Pinks. Fuchsia. Purple. This is kind of a coral. This is medium to a lighter coral. Got reds. You got purples. Does it have my 550 purple? It'll make me want to stitch it even more. Oh. Wrong side. Yep. 550 purple. Number 11. When you get a couple more in there, I can't tell which one's 550, but isn't that gorgeous? Like a royal purple. Then you got greens. Gray green. More yellow. Oranges. Just lots and lots of beautiful colors. So I think they did good on that. Okay, let's roll everything up so nothing gets lost. Because you know that kind of stuff always happens around here. Always. That's a wad of thread. We're going to put that right up there. This is going to need a big bag. And we got one of those. Woohoo! Yeah, just kidding. Alright, let's get it going in the right direction. I don't know that I can measure this. It might be a half measure. It does have some confettied areas. It does have some bigger areas. Or some, where there are pools of color. So that's good. Very nice. It does have the product number, how big it is up here. It does not say it's like 100 by something or other. 100 by 43? Yeah, 100 by 43. Oh, hit that bell again. Let me flip it over here. And this isn't too wide. I like that. Quiet. Nice key running down the side. It doesn't have the colors. The whole thing is serged all the way around. The stitching doesn't seem to go into the numbers. But your paper pattern will match the canvas. I'm only going to measure half of this and then we're going to try to add. Yeah, what a joke, huh? Okay, so it's close to 50. So, yeah. Oh, we added that. So, within smidgens of being 100. Going that way. Going this way, it is 44 centimeters, so it's a whole centimeter longer than it said it was supposed to be. I cannot get the actual size, so it's 14 3/4 or 37 1/2 up and down. And I don't think 46 and 46 is 90 something. So, but each one of these, oh well, we're trying to figure, is like, there's 6 centimeters in the margins, if you will, on the sides. So, yeah, it's nice, it's big. I like that it has a combination of big, small areas. That's nice. Of course you're going to have confetti, especially in those trees up there. Yeah, and it's a lighter weight canvas. So, very nice, very well printed. I don't see any smears, thank goodness. And I will be starting this. Yeah, you know that's going to happen. But I don't know if I can get you up close. There's some confetti right in through here. But then you go on, and then you got pools of color. So, no rhyme, no reason. It'll have to be crunched. It's a little stiff. So, I really like that. And that is all I got from Colorful DIY. They do have free shipping on orders over $69. They usually have some kind of buy two, get one free. I'm just guessing, but whatever the special is, I'll put it in the description below. They have cross-stitch diamond painting. I don't know, and embroidery. They have tools and crafts for all those. I don't know if they have paint by number or not. I can't remember. But they always have a great selection, a huge selection, and great prices. So, yeah. Do check them out. Thank you, Colorful DIY, for sending me these beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.